Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how you can log out of your Guarda Wallet app from your iOS device. To log out of your Guarda Wallet app using iOS, first of all, launch open your Guarda application on your iOS device and make sure that you're inside the home page. After you are, tap on the settings button located at the bottom right hand corner from your wallet's homepage. This will then open up the settings menu. Scroll all the way down and tap on backup and logout. Now if you haven't backed up your wallet before, simply tap on the download backup file button and choose a file where you want to back up your recovery and choose a file where you want to download your backup. Now click on the save button at the top right corner in order to back up your wallet on the selected app or destination. Now that you've backed up your wallet, tap on Continue Without Backup button at the bottom. In the pop-up, type in your correct wallet password and click on Confirm and log out. After you are done, you will then be able to log out of your wallet. So that's how it's easily done. If you want to get logged in back to your wallet, you will need to restore your wallet by using your backup phrases or recovery phrases. So that's how you log out of Guarda application using your iOS. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.